Hi guys, Marie here with the kitties. Today we are going to review a really nice product from HomeRunPet. It's the HomeRunPet Pet Water Fountain with wireless pump, which they state will redefine your pet's drinking experience. As always, links to their website and where you can purchase the HomeRunPet's Pet Water Fountain are all in the description. As you know, our review will be based not on one or two pets' reactions, but by 9 pets who love to put all of our product reviews to the test. Let's do a quick unboxing. Here we have the user operating guide, the 18-month warranty card, and a quick setup manual. This package contains your power supply and your wireless pump. You get a USB power cord, AC adapter, HomeRunPet's award-winning patented wireless pump, and the water pipe. This is the coconut charcoal filter. This is the outer barrel with your power button where you can reset, switch modes. Here's the inner barrel, which you can fill up to 2 liters of water up to the max line. Here's a quick visual overview of everything that comes with your HomeRunPet water fountain. So let's put everything together and see how well it runs. Turn over the outer barrel to be able to connect your adapter plug. At this point, you can fill the inner barrel with water and place it into the outer barrel. When you install the wireless pump, just make sure that the sponge filter is facing the back of the wall of your pet fountain. Install the filter like this. Connect your USB power cord to the AC adapter. And now you can plug it into the wall outlet. And here's your control panel with your light indicator. I see from the first few uses of this fountain what it is that makes the HomeRunPet water fountain different from other pet water fountains. First is their patented wireless pump. This, according to HomeRunPet, is the first wireless pump for pet drinking. There's no redundant or exposed wires. Instead, the power supply to the wireless pump works the same way as a wireless phone charging pad. You have to plug in the fountain base itself for the power supply. When the wireless pump lands on the fountain base, it's powered up. Another good point is that this water fountain is very easy to clean. There are no hidden or hard to reach nooks and crannies. Cleaning and maintaining the water fountain has never been easier. I can easily take out the internal water bucket and the wireless pump for cleaning without moving the whole unit. Everything can be taken apart and washed aside from the outer barrel, which you only need to wipe with a damp cloth. One of my most favorite things about this water fountain is that it is indeed whisper quiet. I honestly can't hear it run at all. I love the triple filtration. The filter has a layer of activated coconut charcoal powder sandwiched between 2 layers of cotton mesh. It effectively prevents water from being stale, ensures good taste, and filters out pets' hair and impurities. The filter sponge inside the pump further protects it from hair and dirt. Another really nice feature is that this fountain has an integrated water level sensor that correctly measures the water level. When the water level falls below the safe level, approximately 200 milliliters, I believe I read, the water pump will automatically cut off the power and stop working. A red indicator light will flash to warn you when the water level is low, and you'll also hear an audible alarm. Another nice point is that it has a decent water capacity at 2 liters or 67 ounces. By default, this water fountain comes with 1-year warranty. However, you can register and extend the warranty to 18 months through the warranty card that's included with the fountain. You can switch between standard mode, which provides continuous fresh water, and the light will be white, or double-click on the button to switch to intermittent mode, which provides fresh water every 2 minutes. The light will be blue. As you can see, there is still enough water left in the water tray to provide a nice drink until it powers up again. Even if the kitties are not drinking water, they still seem to like to hang out near this fountain. So it's been a couple of weeks now that we've been using the HomeRunPet Water Fountain, and it's set up here in the kitchen, and as you can see, the kitties love to come running to watch it, drink from it, and just enjoy it. Thanks to this water fountain, we now have very well hydrated kitties.